Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am just going to size up my tips really quickly so we can continue on. I will be right back. Alright, so I have all of my nail tips right here, and I'm going to be applying them with these so you can see kind of what I do. I'm going to be using this solid gel today and see how that works out. I think I tried it before. I'm going to try it again. I'm going to be using this gelish pH bonder. Make sure that my nails are nice and dehydrated. I am then going to be using E-Nail Couture Primer. I don't know, can someone tell me after a while, do primers go bad? I have no idea. And I don't know if this primer is great for gel too. I'm not sure, but we're going to try it out. I haven't used this primer in an extremely long time. So we will see if it works for me. If it doesn't, I will try something else. I'm always on the hunt to look for primers that work for me. Because if it doesn't work for me, then I'm not going to use it, right? I mean, who would use a product that doesn't work for them? So I'm always on the hunt to look for a great primer that works for me, and I'm always struggling to figure out what primer works for me. I'm going to use a base coat. This is the base coat that I'm going to be using. I'm going to start with one hand, and I'll do the first hand with you on camera. The other hand, I'll kind of pause the video, finish it up, and then I will come back to you. So for right now, we're going to apply this base coat. And I won't apply the base coat on all fingers. I'll do maybe 2 fingers at a time, the other 2, and then I'll do my thumb last. So I am going to make sure to cure this base coat for at least 30 seconds. I think I'm going to go in for a minute. What I did was gently kind of scratch up the inside of the nail so that we get a better adhesion. I'm going to do the same thing to this nail tip. I want you to notice the difference. This one is completely clear. You can tell that this one, I have filed the inside of it. So I'm going to do the same thing for this. You can use the e-file. I just like to use my little hand file really quickly. And all I do is use the corner. You don't need much. You don't really want to thin this tip out too much because you want this tip to last. You don't want it to just fall off, so you don't want to thin it out too much. Just a little bit. This will help with adhesion. I'm going to take some of this solid glue. If you have not heard of this solid glue, it's actually really popular. It's kind of trending. It's a solid glue. You can pick it up, mold it in your fingers, much like a polymer clay, or maybe more like a 3D or 4D gel, maybe 3D gel. I have already done a video on this solid glue before, just a very small review. I'm going to take the solid tip glue and I'm going to place it in the nail tip. And I'm not going to press it down yet. Guys, this is all an experiment. I'm going to turn this light on in a second, so I do not want to leave this with the cap off. In fact, I will push it over here. I'm going to turn this on, my light on, and let me see if I can get it from this side. Let me move it over. All right. And I'm going to try to, I'm going to try to adhere this nail tip to my nail with this solid glue gel. So let's go. Let's give it a try. And I don't want to push down too hard because I don't want most of the gel to come out. And if it does, just go ahead and clean up around the corners. After a while, you will not have to hold it. I'm just going to go around my cuticle and just get the glue gel or the solid gel. What is it? A glue gel? It's not a glue gel. It's a solid gel. I feel like we're a little crooked, so I'm going to straighten this out. My finger isn't the straightest, so I'm going to point this down a little bit more. Also, we're trying out this light. This is the first time that I am kind of doing a full review on this new light that I got from Amazon. So already she is good to go. The only thing with this light is that it doesn't shut off, which is not great, because then that means I have to maybe have a little timer or something and make sure that I'm at least having each nail on for a minute. So I'm going to do excuse me, all my nails like that, and then I will be right back with you guys. Also, after applying each and every tip, I'm actually going to go under my 120 watt nail lamp and give my entire hand a full cure of 60 seconds as well. So I will be sure that these tips, or that this gel under here is cured. Okay, so I'll be right back. Excuse my cuticles, but this is what the tip looks like. Alright guys, so to be honest with you, I really, even though I do still use my lamp to fully cure, see what the tips look like. I'm not going to leave them this long because, excuse my cuticles, but I need to definitely chop them down because they are too long for work. So, and not because I can't have them this long, but because I just can't function with them this long. I mean, I could, but anyway, so I'm going to be doing this hand off camera. I just wanted to show you that this solid nail tip glue is really awesome. It's a soak off UV gel. This is an 8 milliliter pot. There's quite a bit still in there. I got 3 of these for I think less than $10. So I love that solid tip glue. It's really cool. You can roll it into kind of like a ball like you saw and apply these tips rather than using, and I really could have used the 4-in-1 base coat that came with the kit. I decided not to because I really wanted to try out this solid glue, and then I also wanted to give my lamp a go as well, and I do love it. The only thing I don't like is that it doesn't have a timer. So you know, we can kind of use a kind of guesstimate what a minute is or 30 seconds, or you can have a little timer with you, a phone, something. But I can tell once they start getting, they kind of start to feel like they're tightening up on the finger and they get kind of warm. So that's how I know when they're starting to cure. And then once I feel like they're completely cured, I will go back in my full lamp and cure for a full minute. So that is what I have done. I'm going to actually do it one more time just to make sure. And that is it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Excuse my cuticles and excuse my other hand. I am going to cure this other hand for another minute. Stay tuned because I have a Model 1's gel nail polish review coming up next. So stay tuned for that if that is something that you're interested in. Again, I love this solid nail tip gel. I think that you should give it a go if you liked this video. I just wanted to give everybody a heads up that I have made a few videos on the giveaway, so please check those out if you want to be entered in the giveaway. I will not enter you if you do not let me know that you want to be entered. So you please have to let me know that you want to be entered. Just comment in the comment section, enter me in those videos, because I need to start keeping track of who's going to be entered. I have seen that some of you have already started answering the questions. Which is fine, but I am going to make one other video stating that the video, or that, not the video, that the giveaway is officially open, and I have not done that yet, and that's where you guys should be leaving your questions. But if you want to leave them in any of the giveaway videos, that is completely fine. I will just kind of tally them all up, or I will figure it out, but I'm going to have to go through all of them and just figure out what answers resonates. Why do I always have a hard time saying that word? With me the best, and then we will go from there. Okay, so maybe next time I will do a random comment picker, but because this giveaway is a little bit more personal to me, I wanted to kind of make this giveaway a little bit more personal, if that makes any sense. So if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. I will leave the link to where you can get this kit in the comment section below. So be sure, not the comment section, the description box below. So check that out. And I will see you guys in the next video. I'm going to continue to finish my nails. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.